Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about an important topic called eutrophication. Eutrophication occurs from oversupply of nutrients, most commonly nitrogen or phosphorus, and it leads to overgrowth of plants and algae in aquatic ecosystems. After such organisms die, the bacterial degradation of their biomass results in oxygen consumption, thereby creating the state of hypoxia. The source of these excess phosphates is detergents, industrial and domestic runoffs, and fertilizers. Similarly, the nutrient enrichment of lakes at an accelerated rate due to human activities and the consequent aging phenomena is known as cultural eutrophication or accelerated eutrophication. On the basis of nutrient content, the lakes are categorized into three types: oligotrophic, mesotrophic, and eutrophic. Oligotrophic is very low nutrients. Mesotrophic contains moderate nutrients, and eutrophic contains highly nutrient-rich lake. Next, the eutrophic water body is a body of water rich in nutrients and supporting a dense plant population, the decomposition of which kills animal life by depriving it of oxygen. Next, let us discuss about algal blooms. Phytoplankton, that is algae and blue-green bacteria, thrive on excess nutrients and their population explosion covers almost the entire surface layer. This is known as algal bloom. Most algal blooms are not harmful, but some produce toxins. These are known as harmful algal blooms. These algal blooms, when died, release neuro or hepatotoxins which can kill aquatic organisms and pose a threat to humans. This will also adversely affect commercial and recreational fishing, tourism, and it creates a significant impact on local economies and livelihood of coastal residents. Next, hypoxic zones, that is, zones deprived of oxygen, can occur naturally due to upwelling of nutrients or can be enhanced by human activity. These are areas in the ocean with very low oxygen concentration and these are detrimental to animal life. Now let us see some of the effects of eutrophication, that is, loss of freshwater lakes, where the plant community is transformed from aquatic to terrestrial environment. Next, algal blooms. These restrict the penetration of sunlight, resulting in death of aquatic plants. Next, new species invasion. Next, loss of coral reefs, that is, it occurs due to decrease in water transparency. Let us see some mitigation measures. They are treating the industrial effluents through wastewater processing before releasing them into lakes. Next, riparian buffer. It is an interface between flowing body of water and land created near the waterways, farms, roads in an attempt to filter pollution. Next, increasing efficiency of nitrogen and phosphorus fertilizers, organic farming and reduction in nitrogen emission from vehicles and power plants. Now let us see a question based on this. What would happen if phytoplankton of an ocean is completely destroyed for some reason? Statement number 1. The ocean as a carbon sink will be adversely affected. This is true. Statement number 2. The food chains in the ocean would be adversely affected. This is also true. Statement number 3. The density of an ocean water would drastically decrease. This statement is false because the density of ocean water does not depend on the level of phytoplankton. So the answer is A, 1 and 2 only. Thank you.